Okay, in this checkpoints about how to use variable and constant. Okay, let's start with publish data void main. So we have miles, which is double, default value 100, and we do have constants. Okay, constants we have to use reservoir final. Then data type double. Okay, kilometers per miles, capitalize, and then here the value is 1.609. Okay, now we have the variable kilometers, then kilometers multiplied by miles, and kilometers per miles. Okay, here. So we're talking about kilometers per miles multiplied by miles. Then display kilometers to console, and then what is the kilometers after number 4. Okay, so let me just clear out one thing here. We have inputs and process, outputs. Let's make it more clear, this part. Okay, let's say kilometers, default value. Then let me keep this one as process. Okay, kilometers depends on constants multiplied by miles. Then we can print kilometers. Okay, that's out, tab key, kilometers. Okay, so we can clearly see that we have inputs and process and then output. I know it's not quite directly translate, but it's much better this way in terms of program design. Okay, let's try. So here 100 multiplied by 1.609, so 160.9, which is correct. Okay, that's all. Thank you.